Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and healthy salmon soup meal prep. First thing you're going to do, you're going to get your vegetables. You can use any vegetables that you like. I'm going to use carrots, zucchini, and these are my favorites. So chop your carrot into nice small pieces, just like so. And then add them into your pot together with your chopped tomatoes. And go ahead and add your garlic. I like to squeeze it straight in there. And I like how this is just all in one pot meal. You're then gonna go ahead and add your broccoli. I've chopped it already ahead of time. And then squeeze your lemon juice. Make sure not to add any pips. Then go ahead and add your salmon. You can chop it ahead of time, but I just put it all as a piece because it is gonna break apart as it cooks. Add your coconut milk, your Thai green curry, and then I'm also using my powdered vegetable stock. So just crush that inside, add your hot water, and place everything onto the stove. We're gonna cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. It really doesn't take that long. Mix everything together, break it down, and after 10 minutes or so, you're gonna go ahead and add your chopped zucchini, close the lid, and steam it for another 5 minutes. Your salmon soup is done. Do not overcook this because all veggies are so quick to cook. And this soup is so healthy, nutritious, absolutely amazing, and you will love it. Now go ahead and enjoy it, and I like to serve it into my meal preps, and this makes plenty of meal preps for the week. You can also freeze this soup for about 1 month or enjoy it in your fridge for about 4 days.